Hello everyone, today I am going to explain to you about how to hack an Android camera. So we are going to have three steps. The first three steps, which is go to Google Chrome and you have to go to GitHub. If you don't have an account, please sign up, and after signing up you have to search for Say Cheese. After searching for Say Cheese, the first result will always be Hangitzo's Say Cheese. So you have to keep this link. Later, if you enter code, you will get a link right here. You have to keep it, so you will be using it later. So next, you have to sign in to your ng-rock. After signing to your ng-rock, you will have to go to your auth token, and you need this code as well for later. And we are going to move on to the third step, which is going to the Oracle VM virtual box so that we can sign in to Kali Linux. So just enter start. After that, just wait for it and you will be inside Kali Linux. So just wait for it to boot up. And now, yes, okay, we are inside Kali Linux right now. So the username and password for the Kali Linux will always be Kali and Kali. So I'm just going to close all that, and we are inside Kali Linux. So what are we going to do is you have to press home, get inside it, and you have to create a folder. The folder will be named as Say Cheese. Okay, so after creating the folder, you have to open the Say Cheese folder. Now you have to right click again and you have to enter open as root. Again, the password will be Kali always. Now you are inside the root file of the Say Cheese folder. Here what are we going to do is you have to right click again and open terminal here. Right here we will be having a command looking terminal, and what are we going to do is we are going to enter git clone, and you have to go to your Hangitzo Say Cheese site, and you have to copy this link and go back to your Kali Linux, and you are going to paste that. Since we are in Kali Linux, you cannot use Control V, so we are just going to enter right click and paste clipboard. So right after that we are going to enter. It will clone the Say Cheese program, and right after that you have to enter cd Say Cheese. Then you have to enter chmod 777 and start. Right now we are going to enter ./saycheese.sh. It will open the whole Say Cheese program right now, and since we are using ng-rock, we are going to enter 2, and you will enter, and you have to wait for it to download the ng-rock, and you have to just give it some time. Okay, right now we can see that it's starting its PHP server and ng-rock server. After that you will be shown to what says direct link, but it will not show any link because we are not providing it any specific locations or any codes that will indicate for the picture to come to us. So we are going to Control C again. Now what are we going to do is we are going to enter our auth token, which is /ngrock auth token, and we are going to go back to the Google Chrome ngrock, and we are going to copy this file and come back to the Kali Linux and paste again here. Yes, now we are going to enter again. So it says auth token saved to configuration file. That's good. Now we are going to enter mousepad sages.sh, since we are going to go inside the coding of the sages program. Now in here, what are we going to do now is we are going to twitch that a little bit by, I have a link right here, so we have to enter this code so that the target picture will be directed to our server and our Kali Linux. So that's what we are going to do now. So you have to go to link code number 124. So that line you have to delete and you have to paste your code, and later you are going to go back to link code number 174 and delete it, and you are going to paste your code again. So after that you have to enter save right here. For extra caution precautions, we are going to enter save all again. Now we are done right here, and we have to enter sages again. So /sages.sh and back to number 2, because why we are going to use ngrock. So now in the direct link you can see a website that it gives. This is what we need to give to the target so that they will open this code and their picture will be taken. So hence the program says will happen. So now I am going to enter this code to our SMC class. I'm going to control paste. Now when you enter, you will be giving the code to every one of them, the students in the class, and if they open the link, their picture will be taken and we can see their picture back. So now for demo, I'm going to open the link through my iPhone. So the whole problem is when you are using iPhone, you cannot really see the picture. So it is only working for Android right now. So just for speculation, I'm going to show you what it does. So I'm going to open the link in my iPhone. So it says target open the link. So I will allow, and it will take several pictures from my camera, and it will say cam file received. That's enough cam files. So we are going back to the file, and that's all we have to do. So we have to just Control C to close the program, and we don't need this anymore, and we don't need this anymore. So just go back to your normal page and enter say cheese, and you can see here you have around 7 PNG pictures which is came through my iPhone. So like I said, when you open this file you really cannot see anything since it's just showing white blank pictures because it's an iPhone. So the whole target is achieved. The picture from the target is retrieved to our Kali Linux. So we successfully hacked an Android camera. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.